Legends of Learning presents The Rebuilding of Pine River County Game. This is a history game that makes learning about the Reconstruction Era easy to understand. In this informative instructional game, this is a card game about the Reconstruction Era, as the Federal Reconstruction Agent balance rights, participation, rebuilding, and backlash by playing actions and attaching supporting evidence cards. Select action cards and then match them to evidence cards to pass verification to raise stats for the county. Use the mouse to click to select different cards to implement various rights to help build America during the Reconstruction Era. Choose the cards and link them to the correct rights to affect the nation in a positive manner to build it. Complete all the levels to win the game. Use your knowledge of history to complete this fun and educational game. Enjoy playing.